This is Wartburg College from Iowa, and they've been digging here at Bethsaida. You want to say hi, everybody?
Hi!
They've been digging in one of the worst heats that we've gotten, with sand flying in from Saudi Arabia. There are more of them over here. And they're working beautifully in spite of conditions, no complaints.
The two things in this bucket was up there, she said it came from that area.
Oh, it did? That's the stuff that I sifted.
Yeah. Well, I just sifted it.
Here are the sifters.
Yeah. Is this the one next to the sifters?
Yeah, she said that,
where they sift all the dirt.
There's
Will you
another one
hand me
here.
the other? Will you hand us the other? There's another bucket up there with stuff.
This is Chip, their leader. Great group of kids.